What's the secret to connecting with people? To moving them from simply hearing your message to truly believing in it? It's storytelling. Stories inspire. Stories build trust. Stories drive action. And if you're in marketing, communications, PR, or community engagement, mastering the art of storytelling can be the difference between simply promoting a message and creating a movement. To help generate greater awareness of your credit union and further strengthen your ability to boldly tell its story, plan today to attend the Master Your Storytelling Skills workshop. This workshop isn't just about theory, it's about practice. With real-world case studies, hands-on exercises, and expert guidance, you'll sharpen your skills and walk away, ready to captivate audiences, build loyalty, and drive success. Guiding you on this journey are two nationally recognized communications leaders, Deborah Genovese and Walt Lascos. Both have spent their careers helping organizations capture attention and spark action. Deborah's remarkable career spans more than 20 years as a TV reporter and accredited public relations executive. From Hollywood's red carpet to global PR powerhouses like Fleischman Hillard and Golan Harris, Deborah has shaped the narratives of Fortune 500 giants such as General Electric, Sony, Nintendo, Lexus, Disney, and Target. Today, she coaches clients on how to be mediagenic, dazzling in interviews, compelling on camera, and unforgettable on stage. Joining Deborah as a co-presenter is Walt Lascos. With more than 4 decades of communications and public relations experience, Walt has held leadership roles at some of the nation's most respected institutions, including the credit union sector, where for more than 20 years he promoted the credit union story by managing and producing a variety of member engagement programs conducted both in person and across a variety of media channels.
And joy. Machiko Nakashima.
Today, as CEO of Lascos Communications, he continues his mission, sharing a lifetime of expertise in messaging, media, and brand building with credit unions so that they might excel in telling their stories with clarity, credibility, and impact. And now, you can take a front row seat to hear Deborah and Walt share the secrets they learned throughout their careers in this storytelling workshop. So, if you're a marketing, communications, public relations, or community engagement professional, this is the workshop you've been waiting for. You'll leave with the tools and confidence needed to amplify your credit union's voice, strengthen your brand's impact, and attract new members through the timeless power of storytelling. Plan to attend today and register online. Your story has the power to move hearts, change minds, and inspire action. Don't just tell it, master it.